Our channel. Today we will be making this origami fish, and let's get on with the video. Alright, for this project you'll need one square 6-inch piece of origami. Let's get started. So for this project you want to start off by folding it like this. And then unfold. Now bring these to the middle. Alright, now do the same thing on the other side. Alright, now you should have this. Now, yeah, you have this. You want to fold it just like this. You want to fold it right in half. Unfold. Now, you just want to bring these folds down. Bring the top folds to the middle. Alright, now you should have this. Now, just flip it over just like that. And bring this to the crease right here in the middle. Now that you have this, just fold in half. Now you should have this. Now, just open it up and pull this out. And just flatten it right here, just like that. I'll do it again on the other side. Just flip it over, push this out, put your finger right in the pocket, open it, and squash it back down. And now you should have this. Now, make sure that this tail is facing this way. Just fold it however you want the tail to be upwards. Now flip it over, fold on the crease. Now, open the tail up, push it in, fold. Now you should have this. Now for the flip, just fold this back. Do the same thing on the other side. And then you can just grab a pencil if you want to and just put an eye on there. And there you go, your own origami fish. Like, share, and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see you all next time.